Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Jockie music bot in Discord. So if you want to play music in your Discord server using Jockie music bot, I'll walk you through the setup process step by step. The first thing that you need to do is to click the invite button and then click the continue to Discord. And after that, go to your Discord and then here you need to choose the server that you want to add the bot. And after that, click the continue button. And here you need to confirm that you want to grant Jockie Music as a administrator and confirm that you're a human. And then after that, you are now successfully added the Jockie to your Discord. So from here, we have the basic commands that we're going to use to play some music. So first you need to go to the voice channel, and then after that you need to type the command to play the music. And that's how you set up the Jockie music bot in your Discord. I hope that this video helps you, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.